An amount of rupees 5,600 is divided among A, B, and C. So 5,600 is equal to A plus B plus C. Sum of shares of B and C. B plus C is thrice share of A, 3A. Sum of shares of A plus A and C. A plus C is equal to 9/5 share of B. So 5 into A plus C is equal to 9B. So ഇതാണ് ഇത്രയും ഇൻഫർമേഷനാണ് ഗിവൺ. ഇത്രയും ഇൻഫർമേഷനാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഗിവൺ. So 5,600 is equal to A plus B plus C. B plus C is equal to 3A. So 5,600 is equal to A plus, instead of B plus C, 3A. A plus 3A, 4A. Therefore, 5,600 is equal to 4A. A is equal to 5,600 divided by 4. 2,800 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 1,400 rupees. B plus, sorry, A plus B plus C is equal to 5,600. Therefore, B plus C is equal to 5,600 minus A. 5,600 minus 1,400 is equal to 0, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 1, 4. B plus C is equal to 4,200 rupees. Therefore, B is equal to 4,200 minus C. A plus C is equal to 9 by 5 B. Questionly given ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ആണ്. So 5 into A plus C is equal to 9B. 5 into Aയുടെ വാല്യൂ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു 1,400 plus C is equal to 9B. 5 into 14, 5 into 1,400, 7,000 plus 5C is equal to 9B. 7,000 is equal to 9B minus 5C. 7,000 plus 5C is equal to 9B. Therefore, B is equal to 1 by 9 into 7,000 plus 5C. നമ്മളിവിടെ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്മൾ B is equal to 4,200 B is equal to 4,200 minus C. Also, B is equal to 1 by 9 into 7,000 plus 5C. So, 4,200 minus C is equal to 1 by 9 into 7,000 plus 5C. So, cross multiply. 9 into 4,200 minus C is equal to 7,000 plus 5C. 9 into 42, simple. 37,800 minus 9C is equal to 7,000 plus 5C. 37,800 minus 7,000 is equal to 30,800 is equal to 5C plus 9C. So 30,800 is equal to 5 plus 9, 14C. C is equal to 30,800 divided by 14 is equal to 15,400 400 divided by 7 is equal to 2200 rupees. 2200 rupees. Share of C ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് 2200 rupees. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ A കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു 1400, C കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു 2200. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി ബിയും കൂടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ബി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും 5600 ടോട്ടൽ മൈനസ് A പ്ലസ് C. 5600 minus A 1400 plus 2200 is equal to B is equal to 2000 rupees. Is equal to 2000 rupees. So A is equal to 1400 rupees. B is equal to 2000 rupees. C is equal to 2200 rupees. So question ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് share of C 2200 rupees.